Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video so stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyling with beautiful hair dye, very attractive and stylish ideas of haircut, and many much more beautiful ideas of low maintenance hairstyling with beautiful haircut, attractive hairstyling, and eye-catching hair dye for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about hairstyling in low maintenance. The ideas of hairstyles in low maintenance, spiky and messy. But in today's my collection, some ideas fine hairstyle. Some ideas too small and too short, wavy and curly hairstyle. Beautiful collection of undercut with spiky hairstyle. Very beautiful ideas of hair dye. Blonde color, different shade of blonde, lightly blonde, dark blonde, ash blonde, gold blonde, and other shade of dye. Burgundy color, black color, grey color, and light brown, dark brown. Ideas in funky colors, beautiful collection of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in ash color with dark base color, and some ideas funky colors in light base color. So beautiful collection of haircut. See haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut. Different type of cut, some ideas layered and some ideas step. Mostly ideas in undercut. Beautiful collection of low maintenance hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. Hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. To try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. New on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video. My videos, your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me. Support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much. You are watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.